Hey, what's up guys, it's me, welcome back to my channel, and today, I'm here with this girl.
You just want attention, you don't want my heart.
Yeah. 11. So if you didn't know, we just went to Universal Studios Orlando.
That's why we got these things.
And while we were there, obviously they have Weasleys Wizard Wheezes, which is like amazing. So we got the Skiving Snackbox to try, and we're gonna try it on camera because why not? We are currently sick right now,
As you can tell by our voices.
Yeah, so there's gonna be loads of sniffing, coughing, and just sounding very congested during this entire video. So yeah, we're just gonna try it. So here's what it looks like. It's just, look at that. It's glorious.
Let me just see one more time. And you can see the back of it, y'all.
That's the bottom. And this house has Weasleys Wizard Wheezes. So this is
Probably gonna throw away. I mean, just.
Alright, we're gonna open it now. Let's see if we can. Oh wait. Before we open it, please remember to like
And subscribe
to my channel. So
and hit that notifications.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say next. Hit the
right
notification
there.
bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video like this one. Please like and subscribe so that you can become a part of this weird family weird thing. Alright, so we're gonna try and open it now. Okay. So how do you just pull up? You pull up. Oh, you gotta take the you gotta take the ribbon off. Okay.
Let me see.
I don't want to take this. It was too pretty. Whoa, okay, so then it opens. Whoa! Wait, okay.
I'm sorry, I keep on saying.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Let's see here.
Ooh, I
Alright.
don't like the looks of those things.
So it's just a bunch of candy.
Can't think, you can't even see it.
I don't know which is supposed to be which, actually. I know that in here is Fever Fudge. But I don't know what these are.
I think that's
That might be the lovely nougat. Alright, we got Emily's. That was the chair, I swear.
And look at that. Ravenclaw. Crowd. And look at
Hufflepuff!
Hufflepuff. Yeah.
Go to Google? Or Chrome or whatever. Alright, sorry. I'll be careful with the
Yes,
cell phone.
it's gonna be dead in like 2 seconds. So you better hurry. Put it back. Don't put it back. I'll just entertain myself.
These are puking pastels.
Ewy ooey.
So there you go. We'll try these first.
Wait, are they like hard candy, but inside they're like?
I don't know. We're gonna find out though. So one side's supposed to get you ill. One side's supposed to heal you. Or cure you.
Ew! So it's gonna
It
taste
looks like they
gross.
melted. No, it shouldn't taste gross. It's candy.
It shouldn't.
I don't know which side is which.
I'm guessing the
green.
puke side is the green one.
Future
They look
me.
like they melted.
Yeah, they probably did. Future me. Well, am I editing me? Put a title right here if we are correct that the green one is the one that we're supposed to eat first.
Okay.
It looks kind of nasty.
Let's try the green side first. Oh, is that the side? It tastes like kind of like a dragon drink.
Kind of tastes like green apple.
Starbies.
That's gonna be stuck to my teeth for ages.
Must be some weird.
It's actually kind of good. Purple side. If it's grape, I'm done. I hate artificial grape flavors. Artificial grape tastes nothing like real grape, and it's awful.
It doesn't taste like grape.
I love grapes, but I hate artificial grape.
It tastes like medicine.
Oh, it doesn't. Ooh. I actually really like these. I will be saving this for later.
What is the whole thing now?
I don't know. It's
It's stuck
I actually like these. I'm gonna save these for
Now my
later.
hands are sticky.
You want to do Fever Fudge or Nosebleed Nougat next? This one looks more appetizing, so you want to get this one out of the way.
Yeah.
This is Fever Fudge.
So we get one each. So if we don't like it, we just don't like it.
I think I read that it's like just vanilla fudge with jelly beans.
Yeah, that's kind of gross.
I feel like I'd like vanilla fudge, but I don't know about the jelly beans.
I never tried vanilla fudge. I like peanut.
I like peanut butter fudge. Peanut butter fudge is good.
I don't like. I told you I don't like chocolate.
Say it again, everyone. Say it again.
I don't like chocolate.
About a good dog. Alright, get out. Resurrection stone, now get out.
Guys, doesn't this look appetizing?
Ooh, it actually smells good.
It's pepperminty. I love it. Okay, ready? 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
I
just got a bite with no jelly beans, so I gotta.
The jelly beans are throwing it off.
I don't know how to feel about this. I just got a hair, Oh, I'm choking now. I kind of like it, kind of don't. I have mixed feelings about it. It's not terrible, but it's not good. It's okay.
It's sweet. It tastes like a gingerbread house. That's what it is.
It's weird. I got like a random hint of ginger in there.
Like you could definitely taste a little bit of spice from the ginger.
Spice from the. It might be cinnamon. All right. So now are we gonna do the nose bleep? Show them how good that looks.
It kind of looks like under the sea.
It looks like oh, look at the bottom.
It's like the
it's like a swirl.
Marble.
That looks really good, actually.
It reminds.
So it has like these pearls on it, which is probably like chocolate.
Look how cute these scissors are.
Those are nail scissors.
Yeah, they're nail scissors, but they work on paper and plastic.
They have nuts on it too.
See, I told you, they work. They're sharp.
They do work
because they come with a cap.
That actually, wait, smell it. You don't really like chocolate. I love
Okay,
chocolate.
the nuts look good, but
oh, whoa! Is that marshmallow? I think it's marshmallow. Wait. Is there another hair in there? Okay, your hands are sticky, so you.
My hands are hairy.
This looks so good now.
This looks so good, cause look, you can crack the top. Okay, we just had to. Okay,
just eat it.
We have to do it on the side.
Yeah, we'll eat at the side and then
okay,
we'll
I'm gonna do the nuts. You can do the nuts.
I love that. It's just a marshmallow with chocolate on the outside. I love these. This is my favorite one so far. Okay, well don't spit it out on camera. I absolutely love this so much. This is my favorite.
I'm gonna move in my water for the next couple rounds.
I just sit here and eat this.
These are my favorite. They look the most appetizing too.
No, they really don't. If this is what it looked like in the books, I think Fred and George could have literally like sold this at like the Great Hall, like.
You want one?
And the teachers would be like, "What's that?"
Oh, it's just chocolate.
Okay, I would have fallen for it, honestly. Okay, so the last candy is
11 o'clock.
Is it? What time is it?
17.
Yeah, we're fine. Okay, so these are Satan Fancies.
Is it our last one?
Yep, last one.
This one.
It's gummy.
It's gummy.
Fun fact, Fred and George actually gave a bunch of first years these to test it out, and Hermione, you know, being a prefect in the 5th book, she's like, you can't do that, that's dangerous. And they're like, no, he's fine.
What do they do?
And they're like, oh, we're just testing it. And she's like, you can't test it over. She's like, we've tried it out ourselves multiple times. I don't know which side is the side you're supposed to eat first. Let me look it up real quick. I was right. The jelly beans are cinnamon.
You mean I was right?
No, I said cinnamon. You said you got a taste of ginger, and I was like, maybe it's cinnamon. Flashback.
Like, you could definitely taste a little bit of spice from the ginger. Spice from the... It might be cinnamon.
Alright, just pick a side to eat all of them.
I'm gonna eat the lemon because that's my least favorite. Usually.
Wait!
Oh,
For me!
oh, it smells so good.
Oh, I need sugar. That was fun. yummy. It tastes good. We fainted. What happened? Yes. No, it cures you.
Oh, it does.
Boom. Okay. So, let's bring out all the candy that we ate.
Rate it.
Exactly. Ha! You're getting it.
Ow! Honey, I have my own.
All right.
So we're gonna do it. So I figured we would do like looks the most appetizing to the least appetizing,
Yes.
and then rate it how good it tastes.
Okay. Are we doing a scale from 1 to 10 or 1 to 5?
1 to 10.
10 being most appetizing, 1 being the least most appetizing. Yeah, okay. Okay, so what I think looks the least appetizing is these. In between these. Okay, these probably. That looks actually, I might say these, just because this is like a pretty teal color, but the red is.
We're gonna judge you. I'm just saying that.
These, if 1 to 10 of how appetizing
These look actually good.
I don't know.
Yeah, they do.
On a scale from 1 to 10, for me, how appetizing these probably look like a 3.5. They don't
These
look that.
look-
Actually, we'll say a 4.
These look like maybe
What would you say?
a 5.
A 5, yeah. A what?
A 4.5.
What? On a scale from 1 to 10 on how appetizing these look, I'd give it a 4.5. Because it's teal. What would you rate it?
2.5.
I'd give that a 6.5.
7.5.
These, I would literally give these. This is looks. This, the nosebleed nougat, I give it. I want to give it a 10, but I feel like that's kind of crazy. I'd give it a 10, I think. And for
2 out of 10.
I would give this a 6. I actually really did like this. I would give this like a 3. I'd give that probably a 5.5. 9.
It tastes actually like a 9 out of 10.
That's so high up there.
Yeah. This is like a 6. That's a 0.
Shaking.
That's a 0. Still not a 0.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Do all the things, and I will see you guys in my next video, which will hopefully not be as chaotic and weird as this. Speaking of Universal, because we were totally just talking about that. Please stay tuned for my Universal haul because I bought too many items there. Peace, guys.
Okay, bye!